Hi, my name is Livi and I'm from the University of Edinburgh Tibet Society, and this is my message to David Cameron. I'm calling on you to recognise and condemn the atrocities committed by the Chinese government against the people of Tibet and to stand with Tibetans and stand up for their rights. Tibetans are calling for basic human rights and freedoms, and within their country, the only form of protest that they can carry out is to set themselves on fire. At the time of making this message, over 90 Tibetans have self-immolated. Probably by the time you see this, it will be more. Some of these have been as young as 15 years old. We need to do something about this now. Obviously, the people of Tibet do not have the powers and freedoms that we do, so we need to stand up to this, and especially you, people who have power, people who have authority, need to take action. You need to be on the right side of history. Not only will you be saving countless Tibetan lives, you will also be saving a way of life, a tradition, and a culture that is in danger of being wiped out through what has been described by the Dalai Lama as a cultural genocide in Tibet. You need to join with other governments across the world and take action, standing with Tibetans and saving Tibetan lives. In this crisis, we're all waiting for someone to show some leadership. This person could be you. You could be the one to take a stand and really make a difference in the world.